best home theater subwoofer of this year 2011-2012 is the Sunfire SDS-12. This compact and perfectly equipped subwoofer is a perfect solution for the enthusiast on a budget. The high-quality sound makes it usable for both pure audio or multi-channel home cinema. Sunfire's very efficient 300-watt Class D amplifier, a DSP and both active and passive 300mm drivers is key to achieving such an impressively deep bass for such a compact enclosure. For those reasons, it has won an EISA award.